My name is Fernando Leiva. I'm about to explain my whole project. So, the point of this project I is ensuring that the site adapts seamlessly to various screen sizes using media queries at breakcounts of 40px, 76px, and 120px. On media mobile devices, I modified the container class to single column layout, setting grid template areas to header, main, and footer. This changes my the content easily accessible without scrolling issues, improving usability on smartphones. I also adjusted padding and margins to create a clean, unclear design, which is right here. The sidebar was kind of difficult to adjust, but I was able to adjust it pretty well on the grid area auto. Intro photo on the summary, it's the same thing. On tablets on 41A Pixie to 120 Pixie, I did almost the same thing, but on here, the grid area, I made it more naturally uneven, which is just as on the sides I always order them to be aside on the sidebar and in the beginning, and I adjusted the color with a more lower lighter color. And True Photo, same thing. Project images, I made the margin more separate, so it cannot look like it's everything together. Media screen, it's on the min width of 10 basic and max width with 1/6 proceed. I I updated the scale to contain with the space around, making the layout more spacious. I changed the body background color to the aesthetic, ensuring the project image has consistent with controlling the polished experience. I additionally organized also the desktops with a mid width of 101px, which is the same thing, but the interval make it more centered and more bigger in the first place. Also, that I fixed on the project images, make getting more horizontal and display more flexibility with the margins more separate, making the left float. I use the hover images to make the opacity and transform to easy now to make a more smoother image of hover. And after that, on skill groups, I did almost the same thing, but with the color of orange. And I also align it with the transform 0.3s, with it making more smoother hover. The same thing on the projects right here. On the skill group and projects will align perfectly very well on each media screen. Also focus on the horizontal button. Addition interesting effects that modify its background, broader radius, mark shot on the hover. This makes the button more visually appealing and encourages interaction. On the resin button, I put it a color more darker green color, making the hover background color with transition more resin button. And I also use a box radius of 5px to make it round once it's hover right here, which is right here, box around 20px and box shadow on 0px with a more black and dark color. I'm very proud of my enhancements. And within all the things I have done right here, it perfectly works well on the dollar. Look how it just changes the shape. The hover of each image aligns horizontally, and here also you can hover the color by its color dot. And also this is the tablet sites, which is the same thing. I changed the background color for a bit with the darker blue and the yellow too, the same thing. And I just separate since I was about to put it horizontal, but I want my pictures to vibrate more and see the pictures are more bigger. So I align them more separate on each section. Everything works perfectly fine. The hover works perfectly fine on that photo. On here, perfectly works fine too. The only way, the thing is, the scroll is bigger because to see the table, I just demonstrated everything that I did within I learned by my CSS transference and CSS queries. So thank you for watching and goodbye.